Hello writers, welcome to Unit 1 and an assignment walkthrough. So our very first assignment is going to be important, making sure that you're looking through all the other content that comes before this assignment is helpful, especially this introduction to our Unit 7 assignment. When we select the Unit 1 assignment, we'll select Go to Assignment, which will open up this for you. This first assignment is responding to a text. When you select Unit 1 assignment instructions, this will open up everything that you need. Up at the top here, we're going to see this Unit 1 assignment template. This is to really help you with your active reading strategies, to take notes before you put everything together. This template is going to give you exactly what you need to really succeed in this assignment. So this first part, identifying the text, it walks you through the title of the article, the author, the publication source, why you chose it. That second part here is going to be your active reading notes, and all of this will help you develop your response to the text. So this is your pre-writing stage to really organize your ideas before submitting and creating a full-on response in paragraph form. So you'll think about the author's purpose. Your response essay here will help you organize your ideas. So this is just for you for an outline, and then you can kind of take this and put this into your response. So if we look back at the instructions, we're going to really think about our active reading, really think about how the authors are organizing their ideas. So this first step here is to select one of these articles. Think about which one really interests you the most and grab one of those. You want to make sure you're looking at these active reading strategies, annotating them, marking them. Anyone wants to print out and write it on there, or digitally, either or. Starting to take notes and look at these ideas, the main ideas, supporting points, any unfamiliar terms that are coming up. An outline is important. So look at the structure of this text to think about how did they introduce this information? What are these major sections or supporting ideas in the conclusion? You'll also start to generate questions before, during, and after reading, because those questions may be answered by the time you get to the end. Summarizing is helpful too, so you can start to condense this information into a smaller piece. And then survey, question, read, recite, and review. So as we start to think about this, we want to make sure that we're looking at the really main ideas of this particular reading, the key points and evidence, right? The organizational structure and the author's purpose and effectiveness. And that template is what is going to help you organize all these ideas before you put this into paragraph form to submit it. You'll also start to look at the main idea, key supporting points, and then reflect on how the author of this text presents their argument through intentional support and offer your own response. So you want to think about your experiences, your values, your perspectives. Do they align with, depart from what the author presents? Do you feel the author, are they biased? Yes or no, and why? And did you have to overcome your own bias to fairly evaluate the article's message? Once you have all of these ideas, just note-taking, just all these notes, then you'll be able to put this response together. So you'll include an introductory paragraph, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. So each section here identifies exactly what you're looking for and what you need to add. So the author and article title, the topic and why it's significant, and then your bottom line reaction to the argument, which is your thesis. Each body paragraph is going to discuss one major supporting detail from the text. You want to make sure you have full paragraph. So clear topic sentence written in your own words, specific examples or quotes from the text to support that, your analysis in response to each point, and then explain how the point relates to your overall reaction. And in your conclusion, you're going to wrap up the main points, really start to think about any kind of questions or curiosities about what you want to learn next and how this text might inform your understanding of your chosen topic for that composition project that's coming up in Module 7. Next step is going to be upload your draft to Grammarly to look at the suggestions and use your best critical thinking skills to figure out which suggestions will really help you proofread, make this stronger, and really, really reflect your own voice and language. Next, you'll be able to submit this in the course. So it's going to be 3 to 4 paragraphs, double space it, 12-point font. Just add a heading with your name, course, and the assignment title, and then you'll be able to upload it. So as you work on this, feel free to reach out with any questions at all. Since it is our first assignment, there might be a couple of questions. So email me or send me a message, and I'm happy to help.